Insects as messengers of the universe. In our last video, we talked about animals, their meaning in spirituality, and how the universe uses animals to send us messages. Now today we are going to look at how the universe uses certain insects to send us messages. Now when you see this insect, you need to understand that they come with a spiritual message. It is your work to understand the message that they portray. Hi there, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this channel, we dive deep into spirituality, esoteric wisdom, hidden knowledge, way of the universe, way of our ancestors, including ancient cultures. If this is your first time coming across this page, subscribe, like this video, hit that notification bell so that every time we upload a new video, you will be the first one to get notified. Now, this insect that I'm about to mention, whenever you see them, do not kill them because they are messengers of the universe. The first insect is a ladybug. Whenever you see a ladybug, know that that is a messenger from the universe. A ladybug with your message will come to your house, rest on top of your body. You will find that ladybug on your clothes or any place where you cannot expect to find a ladybug. Presence of a ladybug means arrival of positive energy. Ladybugs are associated with divine protection, good fortune, and good luck. When a ladybug rests on top of your body, it brings a message of good luck. Now, your luck will depend on the number of dark spots within the shell of that ladybug. If you are pregnant and a ladybug comes to you, and that ladybug in that shell has two dots attached together, it means that you are going to have twins. If that ladybug comes with 3 dots, it means that in your entire lifetime, you are going to have 3 children. If you are expecting a certain amount of money and that ladybug comes with 5 dots, it means that the amount of money will come in 5 figures. The second insect is a praying mantis. Praying mantis are very spiritual. Praying mantis were honored in many esoteric communities and the Chinese spirituality. Now, praying mantis can bring either positive or negative message depending on the color. Whenever you meet a blue praying mantis, it is a message of good luck, prosperity, and abundance. Whenever you meet a brown praying mantis, it is a message of bad luck and even a warning from the universe. The third insect is a butterfly. Now, butterfly comes with 3 messages. Number 1 is transformation, number 2 is rebirth, and number 3 is weather changes. When it comes to rebirth and transformation, when you see a butterfly, it can be a message from the universe telling you that you are about to undergo a new season or a new beginning, a new journey of transformation. This is because when you see a butterfly has undergone changes from a caterpillar to a butterfly. It has started a new journey of being a butterfly. Now, when it comes to weather changes, whenever you see a white butterfly, it means that we are about to experience hot seasons. Whenever you see a yellow butterfly, it means that we are about to experience rainy seasons. Whenever you see a black butterfly oftenly, it means that we are about to experience an extreme season like winter or extreme summer, including other things like tsunami, floods, or maybe a warning according to weather changes. The fourth insect is a bee. Now, bees bring message according to where you are going to meet them. Whenever a single bee keeps visiting your house, it means that you are about to welcome or host a guest or an important person in your life. Whenever a single bee keeps and rests on your body, it is a message of abundance and fertility. Whenever you keep spotting a swarm of bees outside everywhere you go, it is a message of unity. But when a swarm of bees invade your house, that is a message of warning, or it can be a spiritual attack, someone using bees as monitoring spirits to attack you. The fifth insect is a cricket. Now, many people usually take a cricket in a negative way, but crickets brings a very positive message. Whenever you spot a cricket in your house and that cricket starts chirping, it is portraying a message from your spirit guides and your ancestors. Crickets are associated with intuition, luck, and communication. Now, when a cricket starts chirping, it is telling you not to ignore your intuition. It is telling you to follow your inner instinct and do not ignore any spiritual signs. The sixth insect is a caterpillar. Caterpillar are associated with potential, patience, and spiritual growth. Now, whenever you see a caterpillar, know that the caterpillar is the one that is going to transform to become a butterfly. Now, that caterpillar is there to tell you to become patient. Your transformational journey has not yet begun, but as you trust the flow, you will soon be transformed to a new version of yourself, either in a physical life or maybe in a spiritual life. The seventh insect is a housefly. Houseflies are associated with purification and cleansing. Houseflies are very spiritual and they portray message according to energy. A place with toxic energy, negative energy, or low vibrational places, you will find that place with so many houseflies. A place with few houseflies or no housefly, that means that that place is full of positive energy. Now, whenever you see so many houseflies in your house, it is a message telling you to cleanse that house because that house is infested with the negative energy. Tell me on the comment section an insect that you would like to know its spiritual meaning. In our next video, we shall be talking about birds as messengers of the universe. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe on this channel, and share this video. Peace and love.